Hi there, here is a tutorial for you for the slow rock strum. I used to call it the march strum, but poking around the internet a little bit, I think this is actually the better term for it and a term that I know some other folks use as well. And it's kind of appropriate because it is a pattern that I will use for a nice slow rock ballad when I want to leave lots of room for long notes and kind of some tender lyrics. However, I find that it's also really nice for when I'm playing really up-tempo to a really fast song so that I'm not going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and getting muddled in there. So I'll try to give some examples for both, but this tutorial is just about the strum pattern itself as we orient ourselves to it. It's in standard time, so I'm going to be counting in groups of 4, and I'm going to start with a down strum on 1, nothing on 2, down strum on 3, down strum on 4, followed by a light little up strum on the and of 4, and then I'm back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. Down, 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 up, down, down, down. Ba, 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 ba. Notice my wrist is still kind of as the conductor, leading the microbeat. Da, 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 da. So I can keep that inner metronome going. But my mind is starting to lay on this pattern of when I hit the strings and not. Like this. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Yeah. So really get into that groove. Again, you can count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, right? You can also count it out a little bit longer, especially if you have a really slow song and you're not changing chords very often. You might stick 2 of these patterns into a measure, like 1 and 2, 3, 3, and 4, and a 1, and 2, and a 3, and 4 is how you count it, right? So it just depends on how you feel that count, whether you want to do it in a long 4 or a short 4, depending on how often you are changing those chords. But what you don't want to lose sight of is ba, 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 ba. Yeah. A couple more rounds, and then I'm going to pause and just audiate it in my mind. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Pause. Bum, bum, ba, ba, bum. Feel it, keep going. Ba, ba, bum, bum, ba, ba, bum. Bring it back to the instrument. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Let's pause again. Keep it going. Bring it back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Keep it going. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and pause. Nice. So feel free to review any part of this video that you need. Feel free to practice it on your own. In fact, I encourage you to practice it on your own so you could really internalize that beat. And again, taking those audiation breaks are really important because if you can't hear that pattern in your head, you're not going to be able to play it in your body. So really taking, 4 measures of playing it through, 4 measures of just hearing that ba, 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 ba. Really get that pattern going in your mind as best you can. And then when you're ready, I'll have some tutorials up where you can apply this strum pattern to some songs. So I'll see you there.